Let's understand how a car engine works, beginning with the fundamental purpose of the powertrain and the transformation of chemical energy into mechanical motion. The engine is an internal combustion system designed to convert fuel and air into controlled explosions. And the resulting force is directed through precision-engineered components to produce rotational output at the crankshaft. Air enters through the intake system, where the throttle body regulates flow, and the intake manifold distributes the charge to each cylinder. At the same time, the fuel system delivers a measured quantity of gasoline or diesel through injectors, guided by electronic control logic that continuously adjusts timing and quantity according to load, speed, temperature, and pressure. Inside the cylinder, the piston moves downward during intake, then compresses the mixture during the compression stroke. Near the top of the cycle, the spark plug ignites the compressed air-fuel mixture in a gasoline engine, while in a diesel engine, high compression alone raises the temperature enough to trigger combustion when fuel is injected. The rapid rise in pressure forces the piston downward with significant mechanical energy. This reciprocating motion is transferred through the connecting rod to the crankshaft, which converts linear movement into rotary motion. The crankshaft does not act alone. It rotates within bearings, supported by lubrication channels that reduce friction and heat. The oil pump draws lubricant from the sump and distributes it throughout the engine, protecting critical surfaces from wear and preventing seizure under high operating loads. The exhaust stroke follows as the piston pushes burned gases out through the exhaust valve and into the exhaust manifold. These gases may then pass through catalytic conversion and emission control systems, which reduce harmful pollutants. Temperature management is equally essential, and the cooling system circulates coolant through passages in the engine block and cylinder head to carry away excess thermal energy. The valve train coordinates airflow with exact timing. Camshafts open and close the intake and exhaust valves according to the engine cycle, and in modern engines, variable valve timing allows the system to adapt to different driving conditions for improved efficiency and performance. This synchronization is crucial because even minor timing errors can reduce power, increase fuel consumption, or cause internal damage. Electronic sensors monitor critical parameters such as airflow, oxygen content, throttle position, coolant temperature, and engine speed. The engine control unit processes these signals in real time and commands injectors, ignition coils, and other actuators to maintain stable combustion. This integration of mechanics and electronics is what allows modern engines to operate with high precision, reliability, and efficiency. A complete engine is therefore not a single part, but a coordinated machine formed by pistons, rings, valves, cams, oil circuits, cooling channels, sensors, and the control unit. Its operation is a continuous sequence of intake, compression, combustion, and exhaust, repeated thousands of times each minute. Through this cycle, the engine turns fuel into motion, making the theoretical principles of thermodynamics visible in everyday transportation.